$600 million unrealized loss. What is going on, everybody? There's no better time in crypto to learn perspective than with a bloody market, exactly what we have right now. This is a special message for all of you worth watching. I 100% confident that everybody who watched this video is not going to have a $4.5 billion Bitcoin back. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. You are the MVP. Why? Because that is exactly what MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor have. And with the recent dump, they lost $600 million in unrealized loss, and they have less than $4 billion now. Do you think they're going at each other's throats right now saying, I told you we shouldn't buy and you're the worst, and Michael said you're fired? Do you think it was a huge mistake for them? Do you think it's over for them because, well, Elon Musk manipulated the market, or whoever did, the Fed, the SEC, Netherlands, whatever, recession? That's it, it's over. That is exactly the kind of mentality we need. If you want to become a billionaire or a millionaire, that is my goal, right? It starts here. It doesn't start with whatever you buy in crypto. It doesn't start with buying shiba instead of Bitcoin or buying cardano instead of this one. It starts having a long-term mindset, knowing that this is supposed to happen because you evacuate the wrong people and you let whales come in. Check this out. MicroStrategy Bitcoin investment suffers currently down $600 million. But the reason why we do crypto, everybody, it's because we want to get out of the what? Of the race, of the paycheck to paycheck race, guys. Just in, this is breaking news. 61% of Americans, and you can open it to the entire world, right? It's just a lot of people, right? Living paycheck to paycheck, according to a new report. And Watch Your Guru is getting this info from this one, posted on August 17th. And basically it says right here, 61% adults living paycheck to paycheck, almost 72% say they aren't financially secure given their current, financial standing, and obviously never ever been financially secure according to the survey. So let's go back. Even though, guys, we see this, oftentimes you just narrow it and macroscopically just look at your problem and say, ooh, I'm $300 down in Shiba Inu, $5,000 down in Shiba Inu, $10,000 down in Shiba Inu. I thought it was a mistake. A lot of the people, guys, I've been telling you for a while, all these different incredible crypto positions, right? I'm talking Cardano, Algorand, Cronos, and you name it. There's so many, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, whatever. Most of them are down. And it's not because we want to make people lose money. It started with yours truly, because I have a lot of money invested as well. It's just that my loss of money unrealized, because who sells at a loss? Unless you want to do some tax benefit, right? But other than that, you're still holding. If they're not selling, if they are not budding, why would you? The reason why Elon Musk allegedly sold, I mean, it's what everybody's talking about. Well, he had his reasons. But let me show you this. If we go back to the price of Bitcoin, right? This is what really occurred. From $29,000, right, that we had on the 16th Wednesday, then we have Shibarium sometime here launched. Immediately, everybody, crash, collapse to the $25,000, and now it's back, which is good. Meaning, even though one of the richest person in the whole world sold a lot of money in Bitcoin, if we go back to CoinMarketCap, it was over $300 million. Bitcoin is worth $500 billion. So $300 million plus compared to $500 billion, it's not really that much, right? It's just the FUD, not only him, but a lot of people selling. But that is the mentality for these guys. Even though they're down so much, it's explained right here. The Virginia-based software currently possesses over 150,000 Bitcoin, value at 3.96 right now, because initially 4.5 billion translated into an average of $29,000. Consequently, the company now faces a deficit of $613 million. Are they gonna sell? Are they gonna keep buying? Well, chances are, everybody, they're gonna keep buying because that's kind of the way that it is. They're looking at something like this, and this is the chart that I always like to share to everyone, guys. The Bitcoin rainbow chart, the algorithmic Bitcoin rainbow chart that shows how we have different cycles. And each cycle, if you start from this halving in 2012, the other end or the beginning of the new one is 2016. It's 4 years. So from the price right here of Bitcoin, right, at around what, $15 or so, it goes all the way to $1,000. From $1,000 goes all the way to around $10,000. And from around $10,000, we could probably be at around $30, $40, $50,000. That is the beauty. And obviously, when it comes to Bitcoin and talking about this learning curve, always like to remind yourself, guys, everyone, about really what the good news are for, with a chart from Stock Money Lizards. I really like this account on Twitter. Super encouraged you guys to follow it because it really shows nice views charts when it comes to macro. And I really like macro. It really pieces your mind, calms you down, stress is done, and you can think more thoroughly in buying altcoins and crypto like Bitcoin and hold it for a long time and then sell. Right now, we're somewhere here in the pre-bull. Pre-bull, meaning that we're still waiting for a bull market. That bull market, everybody, is going to make these $600 unrealized loss absolutely peanuts into possibly back to break even, $600 plus profit, and then $1.2 billion profit, and then $1.8 billion profit, and then $2.4 billion. So it's going to, those $600 million are going to 5x once we are in a bull market. You see? And that's why they buy it, because from the 4.5 billion, they're going to go to 10 billion, 8 billion, and plus 2x easy. Bitcoin just has to go to $60,000, $70,000, and that's it. That's the beauty of holding your line and not panicking, even though you just lost a lot of money right now. I understand it's difficult. Not everybody's going to get it, but it's Saturday. It's the weekend. I think really wanted to. I saw this and I could have combined with the paycheck to paycheck. A lot of us are not millionaires, are still grinding, and obviously we need crypto to get out and do something good for us. Stay in your lane. Do not panic. Do not sell at a loss if you cannot withstand the impact, and just wait with us strong. As always, everybody, don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing. Really appreciate your time, and I wish you the best. Just another reminder, to fortune favors the brave. Peace.